much for joining me again this week. So today I'm going to get into a super easy summertime protective style. It's going to be the sleek ponytail. I know that everybody loves the sleek ponytail look and it's perfect for the summertime. So you want to see how I achieve my sleek ponytail, make sure you stay tuned. Also, if you haven't had a chance already, hit that subscribe button so that you can see new uploaded videos for me. Also hit the notification button so it will notify you every time I do an upload. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to take my 3-in-1 main choice leave-in conditioner. I'm obsessed with this stuff. And I'm actually going to take quite a bit of this. Why? Because I am protective styling. And so I want my hair to be super moisturized. So I'm going to take a big, like a handful of this leave-in conditioner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in what I've been waiting all my life to get a hold of. This is the Edgebooster Stronghold Styling Gel. And it's been sold out and, well, actually my beauty supply store just got it, but I wanted to try it for the purpose of this video. Y'all, it smells so good. It comes with that little spoon there. I love this flavor. I literally went through in my beauty supply store and tried to see which one that I would like. First of all, the consistency of this gel is very thick, very thick. This is thick, baby. I'll take that and start putting it around my hair. Now I'm gonna use quite a bit just because I want my hair to be really, really, really sleek. Gonna work it through. See how smooth that's getting? And I just take it one piece at a time, like, so that's how you're gonna get it to lay. Is sleek. Now I'm just taking my board bristle brush to smooth rest. Now I'm going to take this Bahamas curl from Outre, I believe. It's yeah, Outre Expression line. Y'all have seen me do crochet with this hair before, so nothing new here. But I'm just gonna show you guys a little hack for your ponytails, what have you. Okay, and I'm gonna take a couple strands like this and kind of brush them out a little bit so that they're not too well done. So kind of get up in there, you know, don't be scared. And take it, and y'all see me do a crochet, close the hook, close it, pull it through. So this next step is really important. Now you want to go around your ponytail and crochet the hair in. This is what's going to give you like that super fullness and also cover up any leftover braid hair that you may have on the outside. Hey guys, I'm back. So basically I'm going to show you guys how I actually went to sleep with this. So I put my bonnet on top of a black scarf. I ended up changing my scarf because I wanted one that was gonna like cover more of my hair, especially with it being in a ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the scarf off. Ooh, ooh, she's slick. Slicked down and shiny. God, y'all, this is like slicked down. That's what I'm saying. Not bad, not bad. I just wrapped the ponytail up in a little bun, so I'm just gonna take that down. We're gonna fluff her out. And you probably have to do this every morning. Just kind of give it that nice fluff. All right, so this is the final look. Nice. She came out really good. Slick, dang, like that gel is bomb. I'll show you guys the back. I don't knock over the. So that's the back. Nice size ponytail. I just love the curl pattern. And then you can see like it's wrapped around nicely and secure with bobby pin. So overall, this gel is bomb. It's perfect for slicking down your hair if that's what you want to use it for. It actually dried really hard. I mean, I don't think this ponytail, I don't think it's going anywhere. Like y'all can see how slick my hair is. Like that's like a ride or die hole right there. And the crazy part about it is I worked out this morning and it still looks like that. And I did a spin or cycle, whatever people call it, like a spin class, like Soul Cycle. And this is holding up. Real cute. Yes. So I just want to say this gel is pretty bomb. I was a little skeptical at first, so I'm gonna give you guys my tips on using it. It's not completely dry unless it's hard. This one kind of gets tacky first, and then when it's completely dry, that's how you like, when it's completely dry, it's hard. So it dries with a cast. So if it's still tacky, it's not all the way dry yet. So I wouldn't suggest going out, you know, and sweating long periods of time unless you have had time to actually set this. Like I told you guys, I fell asleep with it overnight, but I think it dried down pretty hard, like in about an hour. And I used a good amount to get this slick, you know, this look right here. I mean, it's slick, baby. Woo! Yes. You can go through and lay your edges down if you want to. I just don't feel the need to do it right now. It's just, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like the crochet ponytail. You won't have to worry about your ponytail falling out, girl. Yes. I like this method a lot, and it's easier to me than like wrapping the hair around. So I hope you guys found this easy. If you don't follow me already on Instagram, it's @just_DJ. There I post stuff before it even gets to YouTube. So if you want to get little sneak peeks of what's coming, then definitely check out my Instagram account. I will see you guys on my next video. Like, comment, and share, guys. And I love you. Mwah! Bye-bye.